guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys during this lockdown days? I am feeling very much bored in doing household stuffs, cleaning my room and helping my mom to cook. Very much I am feeling very much boring during this lockdown days. The only way to live during this lockdown days is to do makeup. For me, makeup is everything. I eat with makeup, I drink with makeup, I sleep with makeup. So guys, today's video is based on the basic eyeshadow tutorial which you need to know before applying any kind of eyeshadow. So guys, please keep watching. This is known as the lower lash line and this is known as the waterline. This area is known as the outer V corner and this area is known as the inner V corner. And this is the brow bone area which you need to highlight. And when you are closing your eyes and opening one fold, you can see this fold is known as the crease line. And this line is known as the below crease line and this portion is known as the above crease line. And this area is known as your eyelid. First and foremost step before applying any eyeshadow is to conceal your eyelid. So I am using Maybelline concealer in the shade 30 Honey. I will use eyeshadow this side with using concealer and this side is without using concealer. Now apply a little bit of concealer on your eyelid. Blend it using any fluffy brush. So using this concealer on this side, you can see the hell and heaven difference from this side to this side. See? Now to set this concealer, I am using Sugar translucent powder to set my concealer. To give a good base on your eyelid, here I am using Makeup Revolution palette and here you have to choose your shade which is one step lighter than your skin tone. So I am using this shade as a base to give a good transition color. Simply take a one fluffy brush and just blend it. This side I will use this without concealer and without any powder. See, it's already coming in the eyelid. So that's why you need to conceal your eyelid first, then you have to apply at any transition color. See, it's giving more prominent here than here. Blend this using any blending brush. I'm blending here also. See, this side is looking more prominent than here and some products are also falling from this eye. The next, if you want to see your transition color more darker, then you can use this dark color, any dark color. Simply dab the excess product and just blend it over the crease. Don't use any kind of fluffy brush to blend your eyeshadow. So this side I will use this fluffy brush just to see the difference from this eye to this eye. And here I am taking the same this shade. See, if you are taking this fluffy brush, most of the products are coming to your eyelid also. See. See? Now with the blending brush, I am taking a little bit darker color to put in my outer corner, and always take much darker color in your outer area. So I'm just mixing this and this color, tapping the excess product and just gently creating a V shape in the outer corner. Taking in more product. If you want to create a shimmery look, then you have to give another layer of concealer to the inner corner. And just dab it with your finger. You are doing this because this helps to keep your shimmer eyeshadow in place. Applying any eyeshadow on the eyelid, you have to take a flat brush, and here I am taking this shimmer and just dabbing the excess product and just putting it to my inner corner as well as my eyelid. Side I will use shimmer eyeshadow without using any concealer. See, this shimmer eyeshadow is already in place and this side is already gone. The next step is to blend all the parts of the eyeshadows properly. When you are wearing any kind of shimmer eyeshadows, always use gel liner or liquid liner. Never use the kajal pencil on your just lower lash line or upper lash line. Here I am taking one gel liner. And on this side I am using this kajal pencil. Curl your eyelash. Like my video, and you have seen that how much I have given effort to learn you the basic steps of applying the eyeshadow. Later on in some other videos I will show you how to put the sunset eye makeup, cut crease eye makeup and the glitter eye makeup. So if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the latest update. Have a good day. Thank you so much guys.